Welcome to this tutorial for videospinn. Videospinn was designed to be extremely easy to use and operate. All the controls and features are designed in a way to drastically cut down the amount of time you spend creating videos. The first time you start up videospinn, you will need to enter your receipt number and email address to register the software. You should have received this information in an email shortly after your purchase. As well, the receipt number and email address are found at the very top of your download page. Enter the required information into the form and click Verify. Make sure you are online when you do this. Videospinn will start up shortly after. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, we have number of clips or images per project. This is where you select how many pieces of content you want to use per project from your source folder below. The dial to the right will manually change the number of clips or images to use in the project. You also have the option to type the number in here. All the dials you see on the videospinn dashboard will increment each feature. You can also manually enter the number you wish, whatever you feel most comfortable with. Below that, you have the number of videos to create. This is where you select the number of videos you want to create in this project. You have the ability to create up to 100 videos at a time with videospinn. All videos will be saved in your destination folder, which can be any folder that you choose on your computer. To the right of that, we have the minimum and maximum duration per image measured in seconds. This feature will allow you to set a range of how long each image is displayed in the videos you create. Each image is shown a random length of time within the duration entered. This allows you to produce multiple videos, each with their own unique length. Next is the transition time feature. This feature lets you set the amount of time the transition from one image to the next image takes, measured in milliseconds. This feature was added to give even more customization to your videos and add more variation within the transitions themselves. Below that is the video quality feature. This will determine the quality of the videos videospinn will produce for you. You can select between a variety of settings, lowest to highest, depending on your needs. Video quality is always subject, of course, to the quality of the contents of your source folder. Better quality content equals better quality output. The garbage in, garbage out rule definitely applies here. The video size output list is shown here. Next up is the watermark feature. Open this feature and use the switch to turn on or off watermarks. You can browse your computer for the image you want to use and position it wherever you want in the video. You can also specify the scale and opacity of the watermark image with the slide bars, or enter the values manually. Finally, you can turn on or off whether or not the watermark should be shown during intro video and final video images. We'll cover these two later. The video transition feature allows you to add special effects to your videos. If you choose more than one of the transitions in the list, videospinn will use a random transition from the ones you've picked at each transition between images. The list of file names will override the automatic naming feature. If you leave this blank, videospinn will automatically name your videos Spinn 1, Spinn 2, Spinn 3, etc. when you choose the Spinn feature. If you're using the join feature, it will be join 1, join 2, etc. The file name list is useful if you're targeting specific keywords and key phrases, so you do not have to rename videos after they're created. Simply list your possible file names without extension here. Either separate them with a line, a comma, or a semicolon. And click OK. The source folder can be any folder on your computer which contains the images or videos you wish to use for your project. The destination folder to the right will be where all the videos produced by videospinn will be saved. This also can be any folder on your computer. The music folder is a separate folder on your computer for your audio files that you wish to use as background audio in your videos. This is completely optional. To turn this feature on, click the on-off switch next to Music Folder. You can then browse for the folder that contains your background audio. You can have an unlimited number of audio files in this folder. You can select the volume level for the audio, as well as the audio sequence, random or continuous. If you pick random and the audio file videospin chooses is shorter than the video being produced, videospin will select additional random audio files to fill the length. If you selected continuous, it will loop the selected audio file over and over until the video being created is complete. The intro video or image feature allows that a specific video or image be used as an intro to all the videos you create. It will be tacked onto the front of every single video. The same goes for a final video or image. You can use this for adding additional branding to the randomized videos videospin creates, such as contact info for your business, like you'd see at the end of a commercial, for example. At the bottom is a progress bar, so you can see when your project is complete. Below the progress bar is resource usage. This allows you to select how much of the resources of your computer videospin uses to create videos. You can select normal, high, or maximum. The higher you go on the resource usage setting, the more resources will be used and the faster videospin will complete your job. Keep in mind, this can limit how much work you can do on the same machine while videospin is working. You have two types of videos you can create with videospin using the two buttons in the lower right, Spin and Join. Spin will randomly create videos based on the settings you've designated above. Join will create videos using all the content in your source folder alphabetically. If there's any content within the source folder that videospin doesn't support, you'll receive an error message so you can make the appropriate changes. Videospin creates truly randomized videos the way you want and need, quickly and effectively. If you have any problems, please consult your download page for the proper customer support link to contact.